All right, so let's create a full track here from scratch. So I'm going to go with the keyboard. I'm going to start with a smart piano here. And now I have a grand piano. I'm going to create some different chords, record them, and see what this gives us. But let's first go to the arrangement area. So we go it by clicking here. And because we played around with different drums here and drummers, we have 2 drummer sections. So I'm going to delete this region here, like that. And now let's click on the grand piano and go back to the piano there. Let's set a tempo here. I'm thinking of doing something like electronic dance music here. So let's go with 126. Okay, so let's get back to the arrangement area here. And now we have our MIDI region with the recorded, with all of the recorded MIDI. So now here is the piano roll. We can select them like that. So now let's select them. We can edit them. We can put velocity, for instance. And we can also go back like that. I'm going to set some different app loops here. So I'm going to go to this section here. Let's go with genres. I'm going to go with electronic. I'm going to take all drums. Let's take a listen. Let's take this one. I'm going to drag it in like that. I wanted to quantize this piano as well. So I'm going to do it like this. So now it's going to be played in sync with the song. Let's loop this region as well and let's play it. Now I'm going to play this track, and I'm also going to choose another app loop for bass. So let's take a listen to it. I don't think that really fits in here, so I'm thinking of getting rid of this grand piano here. So let's delete the whole track like that. And now I'm going to create something with app loops here. So now I have 3 app loops, and I'm going to go with the drummer now.